Tip number 6. It's important to acknowledge good behavior more than bad behavior. So I want you to picture that situation. Your child is playing in the living room nicely. Is playing in the living room with the siblings, with the friends, neighbor, very nicely. And you are in the kitchen or you are in your room doing your own thing. What do? Are you going to let your child play and you continue? You say, okay, my child is doing something. Let me, hustle. Or are you going to drop what you do, stop, at least pause it, and go see your child and acknowledge what he's doing, what you're going to do? It's best for you to drop what you're doing and acknowledge that you love what your child is doing. Because now your child will say that my mom, my dad, my caregiver takes time when I do things, when I do good things, when I do things that bring peace. So your child will want you to come again. Because most of the time, as parents, you give your time and attention when the child misbehaves. So when the child misbehaves, I'm going to come. I'm coming for you. You're going to say, I'm going to talk to you. I'm going to spend the time, maybe not as joyful, but the time will still be spent. But now when you say to your child, I love that, and I'm going to stop what I'm doing to acknowledge that I love what you're doing, the child will know that I don't need to misbehave. I don't need to misbehave to talk to my mom. I don't need, to make her mad just for her to say, how was your day? I can be pleasant, and my mom and my dad, my caregiver, will give their time and attention. So the next time that you see your child is playing nicely, pause whatever you're doing and acknowledge it. Sit down and play, or just ask an open-ended question about it and have a short conversation, and then go back again to what you're doing. You're going to see your child will less likely act up.